Okay.
Greetings. We are gathered here to witness and celebrate the marriage of these couples and ask God to bless them so they may be strengthened in their life together. We are called to rejoice in their happiness and find their love a reason to renew our own commitments to those who are near and dear to us. Okay, is there anybody here? Is there anybody here who any host of any impediment to the marriage about to be contracted between these couples? May kukontra po sa wedding? Kung wala, very good. Let's continue. Tayo po tayong dalawa. Harap kayo. Hawa kamay-kamay niya. Yan. Oh, Arlene, are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in love and service to your husband-to-be? Sige, okay. Armand, James, are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in love and service to your wife-to-be? So, kayong dalawa, you take upon yourselves the duties of the marriage of your own free will and voluntary deed? Yes. Okay. I ask you now in the presence of these people to declare your intention to enter into union with each other. Armand, James, will you have Arlene to be your wife, to live together in marriage? Will you love her, comfort her, honor her, keep her in sickness and in health, forsaking all others, be faithful to her as long as you both shall live? Arlene, will you have Armand James to be your husband, to live together in marriage? Will you love him, comfort him, honor him, keep him in sickness and in health, forsaking all others, be faithful to him as long as you both shall live? Okay, sige, kunin mo na yung sing-sing. Mauna ka, Armand, James. Kunin mo yung kamay ni Arlene and follow after me. Sabihin mo yung sasabihin ko. Okay? O, sabihin mo, I give you this ring as a sign of my vow, and with all that I am, all that I have, I honor you. You. So, can I sing? Meron din lang. Arlene, follow after me. I give you this ring as a sign of my vow, and with all that I am, all that I have, I honor you. Suot mo na. Skip yata. Yan. Sige, ngayon naman, humarap kayo dito sa magulang nyo. Ito muna. Ano naman pong wish natin at payo sa ikakasal na si Armand sa si Arlene? Ma'am. Ano naman minsan yung payo?
Congratulations sa inyong dalawa. Kasama na kayo mag-aaral. Mahalin niyo ang isa't isa. Iwasan ang pag-aaway at saka pag may problema kayo, dapat masolve ninyong dalawa. Magtutulungan kayong dalawa. Huwag kayong mag-aaway. Tandaan niyo yan. Kasi kayong dalawa din lang nagharap ng isa't isa. Ano? Kaya dapat mahalin niyo pati anak niyo. Promise mo ha. Alagaan mo si Arlene. Arlene, alagaan mo din si Juan. Igay. Kasama niyo.
Thank you, Dan. O, dito naman, harap kayo dito. Ano naman payo natin po sa wish nila.
Congratulations sa inyong dalawa. Saka mag-asawa na kayo ngayon. Be responsible na rin sa inyo yung isa't isa. Lalo na yung si Jay. Payo ko lang sa inyo kung may problema tayong lahat. Pag-usapan natin maayos. Iwasan ang pagiging matigas ang ulo. lahat ng sakripisyo natin, bigyan natin lang sa kung ano yung makakaya natin para sa ating pamilya, saka magkaunawaan tayong lahat-lahat. Saka mahal niyo yung isa't isa, huwag kayong masyadong mag-away. Kaya pag-usapan niyo kung ano man magiging problema natin, lalo na sa kaibigan. Congratulations mga anak.
Paharap kayo sa likod. Ito naman, ano naman kung payo at wish natin sa kitahasan po. Thank you. Ano naman ang wish? Or payo sa kitahasan? Wala kang wish? Sige, ma'am. Okay.
Congratulations mga pamangkin na. Ang mag-aasawa, hindi na iwasan ang parang hindi na kaunawaan at meron talagang pagsubok sa mukha. Pero mas masarap magpamilya, mag-asawa kung meron kayong pagmamahal sa bawat isa't isa. Kasi pag walang pagmamahal, hindi na bubuo ang isang pamilya. Yan ang tandaan natin. Napakahirap yung mag-asawa na hindi nagkakaunawaan at walang pag-ibig, pagmamahalan sa bawat isa. Kahit alam darating yung problema, aayusin namin ninyo yan dahil kayo din lang ang nagmamahalan at nagkakanalan. Napakahirap yung tao na walang pag-ibig sa isa't isa. Yun lang. Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat po. Any other wish? Sige, hanap na kayo dalawa. Hawakan mo yung kamay niya, Arman. Both hands. Ngayon naman, Arlene, as the wife, ano naman promise mo, vows mo to your husband? Sabihin mo na sa kanya ngayon. Ano mo? Ano naman, Arman? Ano naman promesa mo kay Arlene, vows mo as a husband? Sige. Follow after me, Arman. I hereby take you, Arlene, to be my wife, to have and to hold, to be one of heart, one soul, and one affection. From this day forward, for better or for worse, for richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish until we be parted by death. This is my solemn vow. And then Arlene, follow after me. I hereby take you, Arman James, to be my husband, to have and to hold, to be one of heart, one soul, and one affection. From this day forward, for better or for worse, for richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish until we be parted by death. This is my solemn vow. Okay. By the virtues of the powers vested in me and the laws of the Republic of the Philippines, calling all those present here as to witness, I, Benjamin Loren Cuaresma III, Municipal Mayor of Pampanga, Vizcaya, therefore confirm the bond of marriage which you have contracted and now pronounce you lawfully wedded husband and wife. Kiss na. May kiss na kayo. Sino mag-picture? Sino mag-picture?
Guray-guray.
Sige, kiss na kayo. nakuha.
Pwede mo na 1 minute?
Bakit? Nakuha naman. Kasi yung mga ninong-ninang po, mag-witness mo dito sa harapan, nakipirma na po sila. Ang kanilang marriage certificate. Congratulations. Congratulations. Picture tayo. Nasaan na si Juan? Appearing. Oh, with the family pa yan. Family. Family. Yang macam mana?
Golden. Si kayo.
O, sino dumaga lang?